Hi, my name is Carlos Canseco, and I've been using the Raptor nails and the Omer finish nailer that I bought from Raptor nails for about a year now. And I've been using them in my CNC work in League City, Texas. And they've saved me a tremendous amount of time in setup and takedown of jobs where I can't use my vacuum hold down. I don't have the need for having toggle clamps anymore or other clamps that can get hit by bits and possibly broken. Don't have to use screws anymore that I can also break tools with. I just tap the project when I'm done on the side and it shears the nail off and I'm done. It holds down really well and does everything I need. I'm very happy with them and I'd buy it all over again. And yeah, I don't know what else to say about them, but if you have a CNC machine and have hold down issues, I think it'll be one of the best investments you could make to make your CNC work a lot better. Thank you.